In today's dynamic market environment, understanding a business's health is akin to understanding a patient's well-being. Much like doctors use diagnostic tools to identify anomalies in a person's health, business leaders employ various analytical tools and periodical reports to ascertain their enterprise's efficiency and effectiveness. In this narrative, we explore the critical role of business diagnostics, focusing particularly on the use of key performance indicators, KPIs, to maintain business health. Consider XYZ Ltd., a mid-sized manufacturing company facing stiff competition and fluctuating market demands. Charles, the astute CEO, understands the importance of regular business checkups to stay ahead of competitors. He has established a robust system of KPIs tailored to gauge success across various departments: sales, finance, production, and customer service. Charles commences his day with a strategic meeting highlighting the monthly sales report meticulously prepared by his accountant, David. The report, broken down region-wise and product-wise, offers insights into the strengths and weaknesses across different market segments. It becomes apparent that while the northern region is booming with high demand for product A, the southern territory lags, impacting the overall sales figures. To delve deeper, Charles requests additional data on customer demographics and month-on-month sales trends. Within a day, David presents an updated report. This time, it reveals a pressing issue: customer attrition in the urban southern markets. Armed with this data, Charles and his team brainstorm corrective measures. The team decides to initiate a targeted marketing campaign focusing on the urban demographics of the southern region, coupled with attractive loyalty bonuses to retain existing customers. Feedback sessions are scheduled with existing clients to better understand their pain points and preferences. Simultaneously, the production floor is scrutinized. KPIs highlight a downtime issue that inadvertently affects productivity. This leads to a discussion with the operations manager, where solutions like regular equipment maintenance checks and operator training sessions are proposed. Through systematic use of KPIs and diagnostic reports, XYZ Ltd. embarks on a path of corrective action, aligning its operations with strategic objectives. This narrative serves as a testament to the undeniable need for regular business assessments, akin to health checkups, ensuring businesses not only survive but thrive in a competitive landscape.